These Sicilian Tetù cookies are so delicious, they put many American cookies to shame. Spices, chocolate, orange zest, and nuts give them so much flavor, and the texture is somewhere between brownie, cake, and cookie. I can't think of an American cookie quite like it. They are so moist and fudgy, it can be stored, covered for days. I hope you enjoyed them as much as I did. First, start off in a medium bowl, adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 75 grams of granulated sugar, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 3/4 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of clove if you have it. Whisk well to break up any of the lumps of cocoa powder, then add in 4 tablespoons of very soft but not melted butter. And with a fork, spoon, or hands, work it into the dough. Now lightly mix an egg and add half of it to the dry mix along with a few tablespoons of milk. Bring mixture together, adding only enough milk till it comes together. Now fold in a 1/4 cup of finely chopped walnuts. Chill dough in freezer for a few minutes, take out and shape into 18 to 20 tablespoon sized balls and chill in freezer while you preheat oven. Place on parchment sheet and bake for about 15 minutes or till set on top. Do not over bake. Top with a simple confectioner's glaze of water and sugar. The consistency will depend on how thin or thick you like your glaze. And then just top the cookies with the glaze. Let the glaze set and enjoy. Thanks for watching.